Okay, the main. List text. Let me take this example. We'll apply all the properties in the list. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is a list. So in the list, um, first property. What is the property will apply? Okay. Marks dot
Dot
first.
first.
First. This is a one property. Okay, guys. If you see this, marks is a list. If you enter the dot, you can see the length property, reverse property is there. First index empty. These are the last add all, clear, element at index, contain. These are the all the property for each loop. This is a loop. Okay, I will tell you that loop right after this completion. Insert all. We can join that. So these are the all are the methods and the property. We can see this symbol, this cubic symbol. This is symbol is a method. This symbol right, setting symbol is the, if you find any set, that is a property. Okay. Print print marks of 0, so is equal to first only. Okay, this also will give the index of the first value of the in array. This is also first element of the array. Both output will print 23 only. Okay, if you apply this one, what is the output in the fifth line? What is the output? 0 1 2 3 75 will print, right? And print marks dot, what is the property, other property? Is empty.
is empty.
Is check that. Print marks 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 dot reversed. Okay, this method will come, this property will apply. What is the output will come, we'll see this. Okay, and now marks dot add. So this is will give the output. See, the reverse first will give the some output, but add is a method. This method return type is void. Okay, nothing will return. Okay, so after adding we'll print the output. Okay, so before add and after add, what is output? If you print output here, what is output will print? Marks
23, 45, 66, 75, 43, 40.
40. So no item added into the list. Okay, and marks dot add all, another method also there. So in the add method, we can add the multiple items. Okay, this is the another. So if you print the marks, what will print? Those items are added into the end of the marks. After party 34, 67, 33 will come. And marks dot insert, where you want to insert second index, for example, which value you are going to insert 90 value. Okay, if you print the marks, okay, if you print the marks, what will print? We'll see this. Okay, this is way of inserting the value. This is way of add all. Or another method also there, right? Marks dot insert all. Okay, where you want to insert at index 6, for example, and how many items we are going to add? 80, 60, the two items I'm going to add it in the sixth index. Okay, and marks dot remove. Okay, remove, we can apply, we can add a directly value. For example, I want to add the remove. opt index. Remove the 40 value from the array. That list marks remove at index. See, remove last, remove range, remove where. So everywhere is there. First we'll apply the remove at. We can apply the index. Fourth index, what is the value? That value is remove. And the marks dot clear. So clear the all the items in the array. Clear? The marks and this is the array and array property, list and list property. Okay. So I want to explain today with a debug. I want to explain with a debug. How many members knows the debug? Anyone knows the debugging? Debugging in means we can debug the verify the each and every line while running the code. Okay. So the program once the run that automatically run the all the lines. But if you want to verify the each and every line one by one, that means we have to stop the program. If we can pause the program execution in the certain line. Okay, that is a debugging. Okay, this is a points 1 2 3. So see, while the mouse over there is a one red point is coming, right? See, okay, so I want to execute, I want to pause means stop the execution from for the particular line. So I click on this, the breakpoint will add here. This is called as a breakpoint. This means that program execution is stop here, and there if you want to go back, if you want to continue from one by one line, or we can continue from one break into another break, some option will come while run in the debug mode. Okay, now this is what is this one breakpoint. You can see this is a debug console. In the debug console we can see the breakpoints here. You can see the breakpoints. So only I put only one breakpoint. We can remove, we can edit the breakpoint here also. See the fourth number and list.dot file. In the list.dot file I added the breakpoint from here. This is way of remove, or else directly uncheck this automatically remove. Okay, so now if I put the breakpoint one by one in the line, how many breakpoints is there?
6.
6 breakpoints is there. Okay, so I want to execute the, this is not a part of the mocks, sorry, list. This is a part of the debugging. This is a weapon of the developer. Brahmastram. I call the Brahmastram అంటారు. ఎందుకంటే without this debugging, the problem solving very difficult without debug. Okay, so debug is a main weapon of the developer. నేను వెపనే అంట. సో నేను డీబగ్ ద్వారా చాలా నేర్చుకున్నానండి. సో డీబగ్గింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ క్రూషియల్ థింగ్. సో ఫ్రమ్ టుడే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ద డీబగ్గింగ్. ఓకే, సో హౌ ద డీబగ్గింగ్ వర్క్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ నౌ. See, I have added how many breakpoints? I added the 6 breakpoint.
6
I want,
breakpoints.
so instead of run, I click on the debug. This is a one file debug. Okay, I will tell you that how to debug the Flutter. That is also the same way, but the debugging run options same option, but way of execution is different. Okay, so here if you click on the run, the debug points are not working. If you click on the debug, only debug will enable. Now we'll see, once the debug mode enable, see these are the options will come. You can see, right, the square, refresh, continue, next, these are the option will come. And this is left side there is options. This is a variable section. Forget about watch and call section. This is a breakpoints. Once the debugging in is working, all the variable will place here. We can see the variable output here and here also. So this is the option for one point to another point. For example, if you continue, if you click on the continue, this breakpoint will stop, will move from this breakpoint to this breakpoint. This jump from this breakpoint to this breakpoint. This option is there, right? This is arrow option, arrow down. This means that one by one, checking the one by one line of the program execution. Let's wait for 1 minute. So it will enable the debug mode, and the program execution will stop at the 4th line first. Okay. Okay. This is the debug console. You can see the debug console. The debug console print this output. Yes. Program, see, he stopped, right? You can see here, guys, the debug is enabled. The variables, you can see these variables. Marks is a variables, right? This is only one variable. That's why it's added here. So marks has a, how many items is there? 5 items. This is index 0, 1, 2, 3. This way we'll check that each and every line what is going on. Okay. So second line is completed. In the after second line, the list is initialized. The variable is assigned to on the marks. When in the marks we can see the what is the output here. Or else we can mouse over on that. We can see the same output. What is output will come. The same output will come here also. Okay. So this is where if you click on the this continue, see this is a continue button. This bar is there, right? The stopping bar. This bar is jump from 4th line to 6th line. Why? The next breakpoint is there in 6th line. If you click on this, see the step over. This is that step into, step out, step into, step out. We are not use the more these things. This is a again reload, hot reload. This is the refresh, okay, restart. Again the restart the execution. This is a stop. These are the option for the. This is the debug developer tool of the Flutter. It open the developer tool in the here in the inspector. Okay, forget about this one. First we concentrate here. Okay, you know, right, how to stop the particular program execution in the debug. First we'll do put the breakpoints where you want to stop the execution. Then click on the debug option. Now after the click on the option, where is the first debug point is there, which line, that there the program execution stop. It will wait for the next execution of the program. Okay, so I want to click on the step over. It's entering to the next line. Got it, right? So see the output is printed, right? 23. Clear? See, only this print is executed because of only this print, up to print only the program executed. And next, what is the, this two prints are there, right? 73. This is a index. Okay. Now check this. False. Okay. So my thing is I want to jump from, okay, and the step over. I want to jump. Okay, later I will tell you that jump. Okay, first we'll continue. We can see this. Okay, now marks contain how many items is there?
6.
Now wait. See, not only 5 only now. This line is not executed, right? In execution journal, right? Now the marks is contain how many items?
5.
5 items. After execute this line, we'll see what is output. How many items is there? 6 items. The 40 item added in the bottom of the list. Okay. Now I'm going to print the marks. What will output will be? 23, 45, 66, 75, 43, 40. Got it, right? Now marks is contain how many items? Now
6.
6 items is there. Now this line I'm going to add the another 3 items. What is output will come? We'll see now. After execute this line, what is the output? 34, 67, 33 added in the bottom of the list. Okay. And then again print the item, output will come. Okay. Next, I want to the 14th line. What is my method is executed? Marks.insert. I want to insert the 90 value at index 2. Okay. The 90 where will print? Where will insert?
At 66 there.
66.
Okay, what is the output? 23, 45,
66.
90.
no.
90, 60.
90, 66. 90, 66. You see the output? Got it, right? 23, 9. See, index is 2. 2 means the insert at 2 and 2 place, what is the value? It's moving to the next index. Simple, man. We are standing in the line. Okay. For example, someone is insert at the first line. What happened? After first member, there all the index is changed, right? It's going to, this is changed to next index, like that only, same. We added one item at index 2, the other items also index is changed. And next, I want to jump from 15th to 18th. So in the option, this option is step continue. Sorry, this is step over, this is continue, means one breakpoint to another breakpoint. It's moving, right? Directly it's moving to here. Now we are inserting here the 6, 80, 60. 80, 60 added and remove the 40. The item or 40 is removed, the 40 removed. And now after remove at 4, now how many items is there in the list? 11 items. You can see this 11 items. List has contain how many items? 11 items. After execute the 18th line, what is the output will come? The remove at 4. Which value is removed here?
75.
75. So what is the output
75.
after that? What is the output after that? So this is one, right? The one 11 items is there. Okay, next. Clear. All items here. Now what is the value is there? 0. This is
Yes.
a list and debugging. This is way of debugging the each and every line in the program. Any doubts in the debugging? I will tell you daily, okay? Don't worry. This is the first class in the debugging. Daily class, I will explain the debugging. I will put a breakpoint, I will do that. And you also learn the debugging. This is very important for the every developer. This is a stop. Terminate the debug session. See, I'm going to terminate the session. This is done. This is done. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you guys. So we'll see tomorrow about the maps. Okay. So task is read about the list and practice the list. That is a task. Read about list and practice with example. This is a task for tomorrow, 16th task. Okay. And as well as Charan, I think I didn't add you in the Git. I will add now. Yeah, add just now. Let me 1 second.